Homeschooler, and we about to cook something up in my cafeteria that you might have had when you were younger, called a struggle meal. We're gonna veganize beans and franks today. So what we got is some grapeseed oil. You can use any oil that you want to use, but I like grapeseed oil. Don't really have a taste. You're gonna need some brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar. Or you can use some maple syrup if you don't want to use brown sugar. Or agave nectar. We got these bomb ass hot dogs, field roast. Yes, they vegan and they're bomb. The first time I had these, I had to question whether I was eating a real hot dog with meat, or it's that good and that convincing. You need a bell pepper, an onion, and you're gonna need, I use 4 cans of the vegetarian beans. They are vegan. So I'm going to get these out of the package. I'm going to cut up my veggies. I'm going to slice my hot dogs up, and we're going to move on to the next step. This is going to be quick, easy, and delicious. Stay tuned, y'all. I got my veggies chopped up, my bell pepper and my onion. And now I'm about to cut up the field roast hot dogs. Now, as I said, of course, it's pretty much self-explanatory. The channel speaks for itself. These are vegan. So, these actually have a case for those who haven't purchased field roast hot dogs before. They come in a little case like this. So, you have to cut it. This is how I do it, and then I just peel it away. Some people take and cut off the end like this. And then they peel it off, but I think that's just waste damn time. You're just going straight down there, because you're going to end up having to cut down the middle anyway. So I'm going to cut these up. I'm going to cut all of these off, and I'm going to slice all of my hot dogs like this. I'm going to slice them up just like this. So when we come back, all of these hot dogs are going to be sliced. My bell pepper and my onion already sliced, and then we're going to start sauteing everything. So, okay, y'all. So I got my hot dogs cut up. I put them in 2 separate bowls because I don't have no real big bowls, Got to get me some of those. So this is 1 pack. This is another pack. And I put this many hot dogs in because my kids love hot dogs. I do too. But my son, if he ain't got enough hot dogs, he coming for my bowl. I can't have that. Okay, so I'm going to pour this grapeseed oil in here. Now, with this right here is a Blue Diamond pot. It's by Blue Diamond. You don't even need oil in your pot. It's like completely non-stick. Okay, you can water saute in this. You can just put your stuff in there and cook it, and it won't really stick. But I just like putting the grapeseed oil in my food. So I'm gonna start off with these. Yes. That sizzle, baby. Okay. Get everything. We don't waste food stamps in this house. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna saute this. Come on over here. You saute that. Oh, that's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Y'all have to excuse me. I'm recovering from the cold. Well, what I think was probably the flu or something, because I was sick as a dog, so I'm still sniffling. It's been since like last month before last, so I'm still sniffling. Can you do what, baby?
I want to use the potty.
Go get on the potty, yay, boy! Go get on that potty. He a big boy. My baby said he had to go potty.
Oh, that is so nice.
I know. He wants some daggone cookies. And he want to be a big boy. It's my baby. Only man in the house, huh? Okay, so I got them cooking, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these hot dogs. And you can come and see.
Gotta get that close up.
I left one. Oh, yeah, you left one. Ain't wait, girl. We gotta get girl. Thank you, girl.
You're welcome.
About to go full on Craig on y'all.
Oh no.
Girl. When his hand get the Holy Ghost. Girl. Baddie Twinz. Check them out. I'm putting that link in the description box.
Yes.
Yes. He be like, girl.
Got mouth action.
Yeah, girl. I love them. Have a bad day. I'm stressing. I turn it on and just say, Baddie Twinz. Baddie Twinz. Baddie Twinz. Yes. Love them. Okay. So I'm going to saute this some more. When we get back, we're going to add the brown sugar. Yes. Stay tuned, kings and queens. I'm to the point where I'm ready to add the brown sugar, and I want y'all to see something real quick. Usually these hot dogs or any type of other field roast product or anything made with seitan, you know, it usually sticks to the pot because, you know, that stuff really soak up oil and stuff. This ain't even sticking. Look. See, even when I use oil in my other pots, it sticks. But this ain't sticking.
Yeah.
Get y'all some Blue Diamond. Blue Diamond, y'all. Got this from Walmart. Blue Diamond. No, this video ain't sponsored. Of course, you can see by the 11 subscribers I got to my channel new. Sub if you haven't. Thank you in advance. But get y'all some Blue Diamond stuff. This is off the chain. I like this. And they come with this little teeny pot, little teeny pan. Dang it. Show y'all later. I can drop one of my mason jars. Okay. Why you laughing, Leah?
It was just funny.
Okay, so we adding the brown sugar now. It doesn't really matter how much you add because you gonna do this the way you like it. This is how my family likes it. The little brown sugar. I'm not gonna be using brown sugar all the time when I make this, but let's be real. This is how I normally make it. You know, I grew up brown sugar in my beans and franks. My mama didn't put green peppers in there though. That's just something I like. So we're gonna stir this up, and you want to stir it until the brown sugar start to melt.
Wow.
I know it looks good. Okay. I burnt my damn thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up my beans. Get my pan open. Had it ready. Open that junk with the quickness.
Open sesame.
You gonna make me choke in front of all these people. So we gonna add this if we don't kill me.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna get every drop in here.
Get in that pot.
Remember Quang, Tran?
Oh Lord.
Everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim. Wait a minute, what you say? I don't care if you can't swim. Just get in.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. That
Okay,
guy's
we're gonna
funny.
take a little break. I'll be back. I need to wipe my nose and wash my hands, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and just put the other 2 cans of beans in and cleaned up my bowls and all this. Geneva, get out the
Geneva,
kitchen.
what are you doing? Did she give me bunny
I'm
ears?
just gonna go ahead and she gave you bunny ears. So I'm stirring it up. I'm gonna turn this back to medium so it can boil.
No, sir.
And you don't even have to let this stay on and boil like, you know, you ain't got to boil the hell out of it, but you know.
I'm sorry, that was just funny.
Just boil it to the point where it's hot enough for you to, you know, eat it. And this all it takes. That's it. Come and get the close up.
Oh, there's 2 close-ups.
Oh, yes. This is bomb.
That
This
was
all
really good.
So
Good.
I'm gonna let this simmer. Then I'm gonna put it in a bowl. And I'm gonna taste it. And I'm gonna taste it. This right here, a veganized struggle meal. This what Mama bought when money was low. Back when you could take $20 to the grocery store and come back with 2 weeks worth of food. So there you go. Vegan beans and franks. If you try this, let me know how you like it. If you don't want the hot dogs, you can always get you some TVP, and you can hydrate it. You can rehydrate them with some hot water, and then you can just throw them on in here. Now with TVP, like I said, just like with these type of vegan hot dogs, most pots they'll stick to even with oil, so you have to be careful and you have to constantly stir it so it doesn't stick, unless you get Blue Diamond. She ain't gonna let it stick. But yeah, so you can do that. Add you a little mustard if that's what you like, some brown sugar, agave nectar or maple syrup, any type of sweetener you prefer, any plant-based sweetener that you prefer, and you can have at it. I could do another video just like this so I can show you how I do mine. So stay tuned for that one when I get some more vegetarian beans. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, which more than likely you probably are because I just started this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you won't miss an upload. I do the best I can to upload a video every day. If not every day, it'll be every other day. Because, you know, as I said, I'm a homeschooler, so that takes up a whole lot of time. I also have another channel that you can subscribe to. It's called Homeschool Royalty. There, I give tips on homeschooling. You'll see my children do some things now. I used to do all my cooking and everything on that channel even before I went vegan, so you'll see some things that aren't vegan up there, but just know that was before I went vegan. So that's that, and I'm gonna let this cook so I can taste it. Stay tuned in. Okay, y'all, so I boiled it, and now I'm gonna put some in this bowl. Yes, Lord.
Dang, that's a lot of hot dogs.
So this is my beans, and now I'm gonna try it. It's still smoking. Lord have mercy. For me, you can't even really tell the difference. Okay, so if y'all try this recipe, let me know what y'all think. It's really just really easy. I just wanted to show y'all that you can pretty much turn practically anything into a vegan meal, including the meals that you ate as a child, you know. So if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Oh man, yo, I still got hot dog in my mouth. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss an upload. Click those links in the description box. There's some pretty neat channels that I mentioned earlier today, and also I'm going to put the link to the Vegan Zombie in the description box as well, because he actually has some pretty good content, really good content. Okay, he takes you to the vegan expos and everything, new vegan products he lets you know about. So if you're newly vegan like me, August it'll be about a year for me. I had my setbacks, you know, at the same time it was expected, but I came back strong, and now there's no dairy, no meat in my home. I went down in size, and you see I'm a big girl, but I actually went down from a 3X to a 1X, and I feel better just by changing my eating habits. So please click those links in the description box. Subscribe to my other channel, Homeschool Royalty, if you're into homeschooling, and you guys have a blessed day. I love you, kings and queens, to the moon and back. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.